into the nutrition food supplying system. See, why you need a nutrition? All the living organism need for the nutritious food material for growth, respire, circulate, excrete and reproduce. These nutritions present into the plant food and animal food. The food contain carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and mineral. The carbohydrate present into the rice, wheat, maize, jowar, bajra, ragi, etc. Protein contain pulses and milk. Fat, oil and oil seeds. Mineral and salt, vegetables and fruits. See, mineral are present into the water. This nutritious food contain carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals present into the plant food and animal food. Okay, now here nutritions may be divided into two types of nutrition. One is the autotrophic nutrition, another one is the heterotrophic nutrition. What is the meaning for autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutritions mean the organism which can prepare own food material in the presence of sunlight or photosynthesis. Once again, the organism which can prepare own food material in the presence of sunlight or photosynthesis, it is called the autotrophic nutrition. Example, all the green plants. All the green plants prepare own food material. Heterotrophic nutrition mean the organism which cannot prepare the own food material, they depend to other organism. This is called the heterotrophic nutrition. Example, animals. All the animal kingdom, it cannot prepare own food material, they depend to other organism. First you learn about the autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, example, all the green plants. Now how prepare that food material for green plants? Now we learn. Plants may be divided into two portions. One is the root, another one is the shoot. The root part fixed into the soil. Why the root part fixing into the soil? Soil contain mineral and salt. What mineral, what salt are present in the soil? Sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, etc. Salt, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium carbonate, sodium sulfate, etc. The mineral and salt dissolved into the water. The dissolving mineral and salt transport root to shoot by the help of tissues. What type of tissues to transport? Xylem tissues and then phloem tissues. Where it is the xylem and phloem tissues? The xylem tissues and the phloem tissues present into the entire plant body. See, now the root part absorb water and mineral, transport into the shoot part. Okay. Now second part is the shoot. The shoot part absorb carbon dioxide. Where it is present the carbon dioxide? The carbon dioxide present into the atmospheric air. How many percentage carbon dioxide present in the atmospheric air? 0.03% of carbon dioxide present into the atmospheric air. The carbon dioxide how diffused into the plants, how diffused into the leaf? Okay. Now the leaf lower surface or underneath of the leaf contain large number of spores. That spores is called the stomata. The spores is called the stomata. The stomata has the kidney shape. The stomata opening and closing. What diffused here? Air is diffused. What air diffused? Carbon dioxide if it diffused. See, in a root to water it enter. In atmospheric air, carbon dioxide it enter into the leaf. Okay. Why all the leaf has the green in color? Because of chlorophyll pigment. The chlorophyll pigment, the chlorophyll is the food factor for photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide, water reacted by the help of light. What light? Sunlight. Okay, now sun emit for the large number of rays. That rays is called the photon. Sun emit for the large number of rays is called the photon. Each photon released for the large amount of energy is called the quantum. Each photon released large amount of energy is called the quantum. Okay, the sun rays falling upon to that leaf, trapping of solar energy. At that time, carbon dioxide, water, it reacted. Okay, see here, carbon dioxide, water, it reacted. So that is called the reactant. Okay, see here, photosynthesis equation. How to produce for the glucose? How to getting for the glucose molecule? By the help of carbon dioxide and water. How many molecules of carbon dioxide here? 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 molecules of the water. Here 6 molecules of carbon, 12 molecules of water. It reacted by the help of light and chlorophyll. See, carbon dioxide and water, it reacted, produced for the glucose C6H12O6. What is the formula for C6H12O6? Glucose. Afterward, oxygen and water molecules are produced. This equation are the photosynthesis equation. It is very important for the equation. Okay, carbon dioxide, water. How many atom carbon is there? How many atom oxygen is there? How many atom of hydrogen? Now calculate. See, if you can reactant, how many atom carbon, how many atom oxygen, how many atom hydrogen? In the same manner, product also equal. See, now check that one. Here reactant carbon, how many is there? 6 is there. Oxygen, how many is there? 24 is there. Hydrogen, how many is there? 24. Okay, reactant carbon 6, oxygen 24, hydrogen 24. Product also it is equal. Now check that one. See here, carbon 6, oxygen 24, 6 here 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 6 24. Okay, oxygen also equal.